Hi everyone, my name is Yelba and thank you so much for visiting my channel, Tableau Tactics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Tableau map at a very basic level. We're using the Tableau Sample Superstore dataset and we're going to try to create a view showing sales by region. The first thing that we're going to do is grab our state data and drag it over onto the worksheet. This creates a view showing us by state where all activity has taken place in this data set. To get our sales information, we're going to click on sales and drag it over to label. Now we can see on this map, for instance, that in Idaho, we've had sales of $4,382. This is currently showing us a number. If we wanted to show as dollars, we're going to click on sales. We're going to change the default property of this number by going to the number format, clicking on currency, removing these decimal places, and allowing this prefix to show. The other thing that I'm going to do is display units in thousands. So that way it's going to read as 2K in Wyoming, 1K in South Dakota. This is just for visualization purposes, but it shows you how you can manipulate the visuals to be easier to read. Now I want to fill in the states instead of having these dots, so I'm going to go over to the marks and click on the map. Now we see a filled in map showing each state and the sales that occurred in each state. To change this to show by region, we can see that we have region data here, but it's currently just showing as a string. To connect this to the state data, we're gonna hit region, go to geographic role, and not select any of the defaults. We're gonna create from the state data we already have. So clicking that creates a hierarchy of region, showing states as a subset. So I'm going to click and drag region to overwrite state. And now we can see that this map is showing, for instance, 725K sales in the Western region, 501,000 sales in the Central, and so on and so forth. Now, if we want to add some color to this to differentiate each region visually, we can click on region and drag it over to color. This gives us a pretty clear view of what's going on, but we can't see the name of the regions in this view. So the other thing we can do is click on region again and drag it over to label. So now we can see sales region without hovering over. You can also actually switch these around for whatever your preference is. And that's at a very basic level how to create a view of sales by region. I hope you found this video helpful and would love to hear if you have questions or feedback in the comments below.